Hi everyone, welcome today. In this session, I will give you some example about data type. First of all, I'm going to create a new class. Here, I will open the IntelliJ. And this is my project. Yes, first of all, I'm going to create a directory here for day 3. Package name is day 03. And in this package, I will create a new class, and I am going to give a name to class. But don't forget, we have some rule to give name to class. First of all, we should start with uppercase. Uh, Data, and we can use special character only, underscore. We cannot use another special character, and we cannot start with the number, but we can use number in the name. Data type. You can, yes, you can create like this. My class name, and enter here. And this is my package name, and this is my class name. And I need a main method here. Main. If I don't have main method here, I cannot execute whatever my write here. Yes. First of all, I will define. I am going to explain numeric data types. First of all, I will explain numeric data types. I will define two variables. Can see here. First of all, uh, first of all, int, for example, a equal to 100, and b equal to 200. Can I define it like this in one statement? Yes, both are the same data types, right? If A and B are both data type, both are same data, only you can create number of variable in one single line like this. Okay, and let me write the variable. I just want to print value of A and B. So if I write sort, IntelliJ give me some choice. I chose this first choice. Sort A. I can write like this, and I want to give some meaningful text here, and the value of A equal to like this, and I have to concat this one. This is first. This is my first. First part is, as you see that this is string, and the second part is integer. I concat both of them with a plus sign. And if I execute this program, if I execute this statement, I will get yes, this is the value of a equal to 100, as you see. And I can write the same way. I can write b here, and execute this statement. Both statements will give me yes. Yes. First of all, we create two statements, two variable in one statement, and then I print out both of these value. But if you want to print out these two variable in one statement, how can we print? Like this? These two numbers, I want to add these two numbers simply. For example, I want to add these two variables, a and b. You can write like this. So a plus b. Yes, this is a plus b. What is this? What is the result of this? Yes, this is 300. This is correct. But I want to write some meaningful message here, like upper statement. This is the sum of a and b is yes. Can I write and I want to concat here? Can I write like this? What is the result? Let's see. And if print out this, all of them, it will give us like this. But I don't need this result. I need a plus b. Why Java give us this result? Because Java not understand class. If you write like this, first of all, this is string, and this is string, and concat a, and this is string again, and concat b, and string again. So Java don't understand us. We have to give some. We have to write like this to understand us. We have to write in brackets here, like this. If you write like this is string plus a plus b. This is a variable a, and this is a variable b, and we can add these two variables like this. Yes, this is the 300. This is correct. A plus b. Okay. First of all, the second. My first example about the integer, and second example about this is numeric data types, and this integer int. This is for int, and this is for bytes. What's bytes? Can you remember this? First of all, let's open this page, and this is integer. This is the range of integer. This is very big area, and this is the byte. This is only minus 128 and 127. Can I give bytes like this? Bytes by equal to 125. This is the byte. This is the range of byte, so I can give 125 here, and if you want to write byte here, be a variable here, and you can get 125 here. Yes. Yes, this is byte, and I want to give another data types example, short. And short, what is the range of short? Short is minus this number and plus this number. It is big area, and I can give short bh equal to 35 35, for example, and I want to print out short here like this, and then it gives us short value. Yes, this is 35 and 35. And another example about the long. This is another data type, long. What is the range of long? Let me see this. This is very, very, very big area. So we can give long equal to, for example, L equal to, this is very big number, can give it. And there is a mistake. Whenever you specify the value in the long variable, you have to write something called literal. What at the end of the volume, we can simply say lowercase l or uppercase l. This is the mandatory. For example, if you write a long variable like this, you get a error from IntelliJ. IntelliJ say that Java say that this is very too large integer, but it is not integer. Java cannot understand this is long, so we have to write here L, big L or small l. If you write big L here, his name is literal. Java understand this is long. Long and float, we use literal to particular data types. We have to specify literal. This is the rule of Java. If you write small l, this is the some mistake. Long literal and with a lowercase l replace with big L, and if you write big L, there is no mistake like this, and you can write sort L, and if you want to print out all the data, and this is my long number here. Okay, another data type. Now let's see the decimal numbers. First decimal number. Let's see. First of all, we see numeric data types. In numeric data types, we have two kind of data types. This is numeric data types. In the decimal, we have two data types, float and double. Float is smaller. Double is the bigger number. Float means it is allowed 7 decimal. Double is allowed 15 decimal. Yes. Decimal. Decimal numbers. First decimal numbers kind of data types is float float. Float data type. Yes. Let me give you an example. For example, float item of price, item of price. For example, like this. Okay, but there's a mistake. What's the mistake? When you write like this number, Java thinks that this is double, like this. When you write number, Java thinks that this is integer, like this. When you write decimal numbers, all decimal numbers, Java thinks that this is double. You have to say this is not double, this is float. So we have to use literal here, small f or big F, doesn't matter. You can use both of them. If you use literal f, Java understand that this is float, and so it's item of price. And if you print out this, you can get the price of item, and then another decimal type is double data type. When you write double, not item price, this is DBL, DBL equal to, for example, like this number, very big decimal. Yes, we don't need any literal here, because when you write decimal number, Java immediately thinks that this is double, but it's not double, this is float. You have to use literal. In double, you don't need to use any literal. Both when you write decimal, Java thinks that this is double. What is the difference between float and double? Float is smaller double is bigger number. Float means it's allowed 7 decimal, double is allowed 15 decimal. This is the difference between them. Okay. Another data type is char. Char data type. And char data type, to represent the single character, we use char data type. Single character we always keep inside the single quotation, like this. Char, okay, C equal to or grade equal to single quotation F, for example, or A. Let me give it good mark. Yes, this is the char. When you create single data, you have to use char data type. When you write char data type, you have to write single quotation, single data. Okay, let me write char here. Okay, so great. Okay, let me print out this. This is the A. We'll write A here. Yes, this one. Okay. If you want to write multi-character here, not only single character. If you want to write multi-character, which type data type we have to use? We have to use string. String. For example, name equal to John. Okay, what is the difference between them? Char data types. This is first difference is this is primitive data types and string is non-primitive data type. When you create a single data, you should put in a single quotation, and this is char data type. If you write multiple characters, you have to put in a double quotation, and this is type is string. Let me write string here. Print out string name. Yes, this is John. Okay, guys. Can I write? I want to ask some question to you. For example, can I write like this? Char ch equal to abc. Can I write like this? Is it valid or invalid? It is invalid because IntelliJ says this is too many character in the literal. In single quotation, we can only use one character, but here this is multiple character, so this is not char, and we cannot use like this. This is invalid. This is invalid. Okay. Can I write like this? String t equal to. Can I write like this? For example, a b c. Can I write like this? It is impossible. Too many characters. If you use single quotation, you have to put in a single data here, and these data types must be char, not string. So this is not valid, invalid. Okay. And another example, can I write like this? String ct equal to a. Is it correct? Single quotation, we can use only one character. It's correct, no problem. But its data types must be char, not string. Okay, let me see this one. This is provide char, not provide. You required string, but this is provide char. Wrap using string value of. We will see this, but now you only understand that this is impossible. This is invalid. And can I write like this? Like this. String ct equal to like this. Can I write like this? Is it valid or not? Is valid or not? Yes, it is valid because in double quotation you can put in a single character or multiple character, it doesn't matter. But if you use double character, double quotation, its data type must be string. You can put in a double or single or multi character here. It doesn't matter. But if you use double quotation, its data types must be string. Let me write this, print out this. Yes, this is A. John and A. This is John and this is A. Okay. Now let's see Boolean data type. Boolean means what it can accept only true or false. Boolean data types. Boolean data types. Boolean only accept true or false. Boolean data. Boolean PL equal to this variable name, and only it's accept true or false. And let me print out this BL. Okay, this is true. Okay, I want to ask some question about the Boolean. Can I write like this? Boolean BLL, for example, equal to. Can I write in double quotation like this? Is it valid or not? It's not valid. Why? Because if you write anything else in double quotation, Java thinks that this is string. But we give it Boolean data type, so it's not valid. Another example, can I write like this? String DLL, okay, equal to only true. Yes, can I write like this? It is not true because it's not correct, because if you use data type true or false, you have to use Boolean data type, so it's not correct. But can I write like this, guys? String, okay, BLL equal to like this. Can I write like this? Yes, this is valid syntax. Valid syntax, because if you write anything else in double quotation, Java thinks that this is string, so my data type is string, so it is correct, but it's not Boolean. This is string type. So this is valid syntax. We can print out this LL. Okay, this is true. This is my last syntax, last statement here. Okay, now at last, I will show you small things here and try to understand, very important. I will show you very important things. Let me give in a this sign here too. Here. I want something here. Okay. For example, I have a variable, integer variable, and this is equal to a equal to 100. It's very simple integer variable. What does variable means? Variable means variable can vary. What does it mean? We can assign a data in variable, and we can change this. For example, a equal to 200 can change like this. First of all, let me print out this a here, south a here, and south a here. And if you print out both of them, yes, by default, the value of the variable can always change. But sometimes in your programming, you don't want to change the value every time. So whatever value initially you have assigned, that is always fixed value. You don't want to change. If you don't want to change the data that you assigned first, you have to use final keyword int, for example, integer b equal to 100, and this is final keyword. It means that you cannot change this data. If you try to change this data like this, this is error. What's this error? Cannot assign a value to final variable. Make b if you want to change the data, make b not final, or you cannot change. Okay, this is my first important things. In those case, what you will do, you will additionally add one keyword here like final. Okay. I don't want to allow to change this value in the future. I can make this variable as a final in Java. Okay. Another things I want to explain, very important, that there are two kind of programming language, statical type programming language and dynamic type of programming language. Which one is Java? Java is dynamic or static? Can you guess it? Okay. Java is static type programming language. Python is a dynamic type of programming language. Let's try to understand what it is. Some examples. I want to give some example about this. I don't want to write again. One. For example, integer a equal to 100 again. And I want to assign a new data x, a equal to welcome. Yes, is it possible or not? In Java, it is not allowed. Why? Because a is already created with an integer type of data. We create a integer type of data, but we apply for a variable, so we cannot change the data type. We try to assign here string. A is integer, but we try to assign a as a string. It is not possible in Java. We cannot change the data type. When we create a data type, when we create variable, we choose a data type, and we cannot change data type again. So we can say that Java is static data type. Java is static programming language. Okay, but in Python, it is allowed, because in Python we are not going to specify any data type. For example, when you write some variable in Python, you create a variable like this, x equal to 100, like this. We cannot specify the data type here. Python automatically choose a data type. This is integer. We cannot specify here. So we can assign when you when you assign string here like this in Python, like this, and you can assign string here, and Python thinks that this is a string and change the data type of this variable. First of all, x is integer, and when I assign welcome string here, Python change the data type, and data type will be string here. So we can say that Python is dynamic programming language. Okay. I think enough for today, guys. Next lesson, we will continue my lectures. Thank you for listening to me. See you again. Bye.